Psalm 60 is a battle cry for restoration and victory after defeat. It acknowledges that YAHUAH sometimes allows hardship and shaking, but also declares that he will lead his people to triumph when they cry out to him. It's a powerful psalm to pray when you've suffered loss, confusion, or spiritual attack, and are asking YAHUAH to restore your strength, reclaim your territory, and go before you in battle. Here is a spiritual warfare prayer based on Psalm 60, written for times of battle fatigue, loss, or the need for divine intervention and reestablishment. Spiritual warfare prayer, Psalm 60. O YAHUAH, you have cast us off. You have broken us. You have been angry, but now we ask, restore us again. You have made the earth tremble. You have torn it, but heal its breaches, for it shakes beneath us. You have shown your people hard things. You have made us drink the wine of astonishment. But now, O Yah, raise up a banner for those who fear you, that it may be displayed because of the truth. Selah. Stretch out your hand to save with your right hand, and hear my cry. Give us deliverance from trouble, for vain is the help of man. Through you, we will do valiantly, for it is you, O YAHUAH, who treads down our enemies. Even when we are shaken, you are not moved. Even when we are scattered, your covenant still stands. You have spoken in your holiness. You will divide the land, restore the inheritance, and triumph over the enemy. So now I rise in your name, O Elohiym of hosts. We claim every territory that was stolen, spiritually and physically. We establish my footing in righteousness. Let every demonic gate be torn down and every false stronghold demolished. Go before me in battle. Tread down every principality that rises against me. Overturn demonic altars and silence every mocking spirit. Let confusion fall into the enemy's camp. Where there was shaking, bring stability. Where there was scattering, bring restoration. Where there was defeat, bring supernatural victory. I do not trust in human weapons or earthly strength. My eyes are on you, my deliverer, my commander, my king. You are the one who restores the breach, reclaims the land, and lifts up those who call on your name. I declare, this battle is not lost. This ground is not surrendered. YAHUAH fights for me, and in him I rise. In the mighty name of Yeshua HaMashiach, banner of salvation and Lion of Yehudah, Amen.